Good morning. It's about 11 a.m. and we're gonna go eat chili crab from Thailand in Seoul. The right time to eat the crab is during September and October. So it's perfect time and it has a very good rating and looks very delicious. So we're gonna try it out. It's about $70 for 2 crabs and I think 6 shrimps, rice, and I think lamb chops. Strange mix, but their grandma's yelling. Look at crazy. So it's in this tight corner, and you see ace crab. Feels like some resort. Nice. Okay, so we'll check it out. They open at 11. It's right now at 11. You order here and you pay here. So I think we're gonna order chili crab set. Spicy, this is non-spicy, spicy, and extra spicy. And they have lobster and garlic butter crab. This is a lamb chop. It smells delicious. That's a Korean police car. That's nice. And there's a little robot right there talking to himself. Everybody's just... So today we're heading to National Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art in Seoul. So you have to get off on Anguk Station and exit is number 1. It's like a mural of tiles. Look at that. That's cool. That's what King used to wear. I bought my wife this shirt. Wow, that's super cool here. Wow, very fancy. Look at this. That's it. Okay, so we ordered ice americano and matcha latte, and this is yuja cheesecake in front of the Toy King. And in Korea, because people don't want to get tanned, a lot of people have the sunshade like that. Mine is umbrella. But they said it might rain today. I brought it. Amazing. It looks a lot bigger in person, in real life, than through the camera. It's crazy. It's like the future and the past all come together, because if you zoom in there, look at the traditional building back in the picture. Across the street is Old King's Palace in Korea. It's called Gyeongbokgung. On this side, this is National Contemporary Museum of Art. This road leads to the Blue House, which is same as the White House. Okay, here we are. National Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art. So there's a couple locations here, but this is the main one. So just came to Insadong where they have like traditional Korean stuff. It's a whole street of Korean traditional products and they have shows and stuff like masks.
얼마나 기다려야 돼요?
딱히 어떻게 하라는 말은 못해요. 일단 제가 애들 기준으로는
So for dinner, we came to this very famous buckwheat soba place, and this been open like for 30-40 years. This is in Gwanghwamun, and it's in this plaza here, and there's people waiting. So right now there's about 40 teams to get into this place for eating a Korean soba. Started in 1954. So my mom said she came to eat here when she was younger. Or this place got a Michelin guide. Radish, and that's green onions. You mix them too. And there's wasabi too. You get 2 of them. That's a lot. And this broth is so delicious. Grab a little bit. And then you eat them like this. So after Mijin restaurant, we're heading to the biggest bookstore in Korea. They sell a lot of stuff in there other than books. So we're gonna go check it out. I always try to go there and buy stuff. Gyobo bookstore. Okay, so it's beginning to boil.